Hey friends, how are you? Today we are going to be making an owl. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make a letter U, and it's going to be kind of a deep U, just like that. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the U, and we are going to come down with some slanted lines, two slanted lines. Those are going to be the owl's ears. We are going to make a straight line coming across to connect those two ears. Now, what we're going to do is go about a little more than halfway down his body, and we are going to make a straight line across. We're going to go back up to this upper section, and we are going to make two very large circles, and these are going to be the owl's eyes. Inside those circles, we are going to make more circles that are a little bit smaller than the first circles. And then we are going to make one more set of circles. And this set of circles you're going to color in with your marker or your pencil or your crayon, just like that. All right, now we're going to put a little beak on him, which is basically a triangle. And I'm going to decorate mine with a few dots going across the upper part of that line that we put in the middle of his body. And you can decorate him any way that you like. Keep that in mind. For his bottom area, I am going to put a series of upside down U's that are hooked together. Almost remind me of feathers. Now watch what I do. I'm going to do this same set of lines again, but I'm going to attach them right in the middle of the first set. So I'm making those U's again, but I am attaching them to the first U's right in the middle. And then I'm going to keep going down until I get to the bottom of my owl's body. I'm making them nice and big. Oh, I'm almost finished. There we go. I'm done with the bottom part of his body. Okay, this little guy needs some wings, so you can make your wings any way that you'd like. You can make them just small bumps coming out, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them big. Backward C's like this. Maybe 3 would look good. I like that. It's kind of like he's opening his wings. And then on the same, I'm doing the same on the other side. For his feet, I'm going to make some slightly slanted lines, and then I'm going to double them up and let them touch at the bottom. And then for his feet, I'm going to put some toes on him. So some lines that I curve around and come back. Now, if you see anything else that you'd like to do on your owl, any more decoration, any more detail, then feel free to do that. There's your owl. I hope you like him. Thanks for watching. Bye.